Right. England. England is the largest country in the UK. It has a population of 53 million people. Millions of tourists visit England each year. Maybe you have been there. Some tourists like to go to historic sites like Stonehenge or to museums like the British Museum. Others like to go to the theatre to see musicals like The Lion King. Many people also go there to watch football matches. Do you know any English football teams? London is the capital of both England and the UK. It is the largest city in Europe. Other big cities in the UK are Birmingham, Liverpool, and Manchester. These cities in the north used to have many factories, and this is where the Industrial Revolution started. Now, you need to write the new words in your glossary book. You have to learn them well, both how to pronounce them, but also how to write them correctly. Scotland. In Scotland, bagpipes are a traditional instrument, and the national costume is the kilt, which is a woolen skirt. Only men wear kilts, and underneath them they don't wear anything at all. Scotland has a long and proud history. Powerful clans ruled the country. Common family or clan names are Campbell, Stewart, and MacGregor. Scotland has a population of about 5 million people. Edinburgh is the capital, and Glasgow is the largest city. Some people believe a monster called Nessie lives in Loch Ness, which is Scotland's largest lake. You need to learn these new words as well, so write them in your glossary book. Learn how to pronounce them correctly and how to write them correctly.